Most people don't have a money problem. They have a money management problem. If you've ever felt like your money disappears faster than it comes in, if you're tired of working hard and still feeling broke at the end of every month, this video is for you. Welcome to You Are Undefeated, where we build stronger minds, sharper habits, and unstoppable lives. Today, we're diving into 7 simple, powerful habits that will transform how you manage your money and your future. 1. The latte trap. Clara's mornings began with the comforting ritual of her latte, each sip sparking creativity that flowed effortlessly onto her canvas. But as the frothy elixir became her lifeline, her art morphed into a desperate chase for perfection. The vibrant hues of inspiration dulled, overshadowed by her fixation on idealized foam. Realization struck as she confronted the hollow echoes of her dependency. In seeking solitude, Clara reawakened her artistic spirit, understanding that true inspiration thrived not in lattes, but in silence and self-discovery. 2. Pay yourself first. In the journey of personal finance, the concept of pay yourself first is a beacon guiding individuals towards stability and growth. It begins with the realization that savings must be prioritized before expenses. For many, this can be challenging. Unexpected bills or the temptation of immediate gratification often derail intentions. By setting up automatic transfers to savings, individuals can overcome these hurdles, ensuring that their future takes precedence over fleeting desires. As they witness their savings grow, confidence blooms, leading to wise investments and a sense of security that transforms their lives. Embracing this principle not only fosters financial discipline, but also cultivates a mindset of abundance and preparedness for life's uncertainties. 3. Wants versus needs. In the bustling heart of the city, Mia found herself torn between her extravagant desires and her essential needs. Every week, she faced the temptation of designer shoes that whispered promises of confidence, yet her modest apartment needed a fresh coat of paint. Each purchase felt like a fleeting thrill, but as her savings dwindled, the weight of her choices began to suffocate her. One day, amidst the chaos, she stumbled upon an old journal, revealing dreams overshadowed by material distractions. This awakening forced Mia to confront her priorities, realizing that true fulfillment lay not in fleeting wants, but in nurturing her foundational needs and aspirations. 4. Emergency fund or peace of mind. In the midst of a sudden job loss, Michael felt the weight of anxiety pressing down. He had always been cautious, setting aside money for an emergency fund, but he never truly grasped its significance until now. As bills piled up, he found solace in the knowledge that he had a safety net. Each time he faced unexpected expenses, he smiled, knowing he could navigate the storm. This financial cushion not only shielded him from panic but also empowered him to seek new opportunities, rekindling his confidence in life's uncertainties. 5. The power of budgeting. Sophia, a recent college graduate, found herself in a whirlwind of financial chaos, splurging on brunches and new outfits. One day, overwhelmed by her mounting debts, she resolved to create a budget. The first week was tough. She had to say no to her friends' spontaneous plans, but as she tracked her spending, clarity emerged. Each month, she diligently put aside funds for savings and future trips. Slowly, she found freedom in her financial choices, discovering that budgeting wasn't a restriction, but a pathway to her dreams. 6. Credit cards are tools, not toys. In the vibrant swirl of life, credit cards dance through the hands of many, each with a story to tell. For Jamie, they were a lifeline during university, helping her manage textbooks and late-night study snacks. She crafted a budget, understanding the importance of discipline. Meanwhile, Mark treated his card like a toy, racking up debt from impulsive buys. When reality hit with unpaid bills, his carefree days vanished. Through their contrasting journeys, they learned that credit cards, when wielded wisely, can build dreams, but if misused, shatter them. 7. Invest early. Retire. Free. From a young age, Alex understood that investing early was the key to unlocking a future of freedom. While friends splurged on fleeting pleasures, Alex diligently allocated a portion of every paycheck to a diversified portfolio. As years passed, those early investments blossomed, providing not just financial stability, but also peace of mind. With every market fluctuation, Alex learned resilience and adaptability, enriching personal growth. This foresight allowed Alex to retire early and travel the world, deepening relationships with loved ones. The journey proved that wise choices not only built wealth, but also crafted a life full of purpose and adventure. Money doesn't control you unless you let it. Start with one habit, one small change. Because when you manage your money smartly, you're not just building wealth, you're building freedom. Remember, you are not average. You are not behind. You are undefeated. Drop a comment. Which habit will you start today? Subscribe for more mindset, money, and motivation. See you in the next video. Stronger, smarter, and more unstoppable than ever.